Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have cyclohexene and you have methoxide and you have oxygen below the plane. Side chain you have sulfur dioxide and heteroacyl compound and you are reacting with alkene which contains aldehyde and OH which is protected by TES and you are using HMDS salt. You have to guess what will be the final product. Here the reaction is simple, don't be intimidated by the reagents. First step you are using the base. The base obstructs the proton, you have the anion formation. The anion attacks the carbonyl in the second system. So you have the system with sulfur dioxide and you have alcohol. So you might imagine the Julia Olefination. It's an important stereospecific reaction. The anti-elimination happened. You have E-alkene formation. Anti-E-alkene formation occurs. You have the new conjugated system. The driving force for the reaction is conjugation there. So final product is with E and Z configuration. The concept you have to learn here is Julia Olefination. It's a trans elimination, always anti-product with E configuration forms. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.